Hi everybody! On this week's Home Happy Hour, we're talking about date night. So, Portland, in non-COVID times, is a very romantic city. And it still really is, as long as you're outside. So, my suggestions for you are going to be mostly outside. We've done walks on Mount Tabor, walks in Forest Park. We've done bike rides through the city and stopped at beer gardens. Yeah, it's getting real rough out there, guys. We even bought a Lego to start putting together, and that's going to be kind of fun. It's, of course, Star Wars, because, you know, Matt's super into Star Wars. So, yeah, most nights what we do is we get takeout from a local restaurant. One right up the street from us is Estes or Eam. Thai food is amazing. Bring it home and work on the Lego for a while. COVID times are exciting. But seriously, trip to the coast is always so great, especially for a getaway weekend. Also have been doing the Fruit Loop, and especially in fall, it's fantastic. You can stop by and get some local pears and apples. And then wine country has actually been really cool too. You can go down there, make appointments, but they have outdoor seating with heaters and stuff, so you can taste wine and hang out. Home happy hour style. We've also been getting into cards. I mean, you know, every 1950s pastime that you can think of, we've been trying it. Puzzles, also great. You're getting a serious window into our lives. Trying to think, oh, I have been drinking a lot of hot chocolate. Making homemade hot chocolate is always fun. And making your lover dinner, that never goes out of style. I don't know about you, but there's all kinds of really cool local pickups. So Provedore Foods, you can order online and pick up your groceries there. They have all kinds of cool Italian stuff. And then I've been Instacarting. You can do a lot of grocery shopping online these days, guys. So stay COVID safe and still get some really cool fancy Italian pasta to cook for your loved one that night. I'd love to hear from you, because clearly from this list we're running out of things to do. So comment below and let me know how you've been keeping the flame alive. And of course, thanks for tuning in to our Home Happy Hour this week. Happy hunting for date nights. Talk to you soon.